welcome back to our channel. My name is Lydia Dewi Haryanti.
And I, Azhara Dwi Ramadhani.
Today, we are going to try one of the most dessert from Indonesia.
Fruit ice.
Let's see how good it is.
This fruit taste is amazing. The syrup is sweet but not too much.
I know, right? In my opinion, fruit ice is the best dessert during hot days. It's cold, fruity, refreshing.
I totally agree. I especially love the avocado and jelly in it. It makes the texture more fun.
Same here, and I think it's also healthier than other sweet snack because it has real fruit.
Yeah, eating fruit ice feel like enjoying a fresh fruit party in a bowl.
So,
What do you guys think? Do you like fruit ice too? Comment below and don't forget to
like and subscribe. Bye!